Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So this is it's early. It's I don't know, about 9:15, and I've got the first part of Thanksgiving dinner made, and I'm going to tell you a story about that. Normally, as you can see, I got a bunch of dishes back there. Anyway, normally I make pumpkin pies from scratch, and these I made from. I bought money super tight right now, so I bought Walmart brand pumpkin pie stuff, and I followed the recipe. And after the time was up, they were still liquid. I baked them another 20 to 30 minutes. They were still liquid, and now the graham cracker crust is burnt, but it looks like they are. I took them out of the oven because everything was burning. It looks like they are thickening up, getting more solid now. But I'm much better making the pies from scratch, and I got a little angry. And one thing that I am personally working on is, and I got this from my mother. If it isn't perfect, it sucks. It's terrible and it's a tragedy, right? That's obviously ridiculous. It's one of the things that I worked really hard with my music students on. There's no such thing as perfect. No matter what anybody tells you, there's no such thing as perfect. And one of the reasons that much of the current pop music feels and sounds so soulless is because they do everything to a metronome to try and make it perfect timing, as well as they don't, they use a lot of virtual instruments. They're not real instruments, and the bands aren't making music together. I haven't enjoyed any time in the studio literally since the mid to late 90s, when everything was switching over to digital, because we didn't record as bands anymore, and it was just awful. So anyway, one of the things I'm doing this morning is I'm letting go. I'm letting this go. All right, the pumpkin pie isn't perfect. I'm spending hardly any money this year on dinner. The ham, can't get the ham in the picture. The ham is thawing out so that I can bake it a little later today. Did ham this year because Kenzie, Gabe, myself, none of us really enjoy turkey all that much. It's good, it's fine, but it's not, and it's a lot of work. Where the ham is already pre-cooked, I just need to heat it up for about 2 hours, and it's ready to go. So, and we enjoy the ham. I'll use the bone to make soup stock and make ham and black bean soup, and it's going to be amazing. It's going to be delicious. So we will get much more use and enjoyment out of the ham, and so we're doing ham this year for Thanksgiving instead of turkey. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope it helps somebody, and I'm looking forward to talking to you later.